Good morning, students. Welcome to Sri Academy online platform. Class 7 Social Science, Chapter 3 The Sultans of Delhi. Today we will discuss the word meaning of this chapter. Okay, first one is dynasty. Dynasty, dynasty. English meaning of this word is a series of rulers who are from the same family. Hindi meaning of this word is once. Next word is devoted. Devoted, devoted. English meaning of this word is completely loyal to somebody or something. Hindi meaning of this word is bhakt. Next word is generosity. Generosity, generosity. English meaning of this word is the quality of being generous. Hindi meaning of this word is udarta. Next word is diplomatic. Diplomatic, diplomatic. English meaning of this word is the management of the relationship between countries. Hindi meaning of this word is Rajnaik. Rajnaik. Next word is rebellions. 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 English meaning of this word is the action of fighting against authority or refusing to accept rules. Hindi meaning of this word is withdraw. Next word is shrewd. 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 English meaning of this word is able to make good decision because understand a situation well. Hindi meaning of this word is chalak. Next word is conquering. 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 English meaning of this word is to take control of a country or city and its people by force, especially in a war. Hindi meaning of this word is jeetna. Next word is consolidation. 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 In the English meaning of this word is the process of becoming or being made stronger and more certain. Hindi meaning of this word is samekan. Next word is liberal. 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 English meaning of this word is accepting different opinions or kind of behavior. Hindi meaning of this word is udar. Next word is plundered. 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 English meaning of this word is to steal goods violently from a place, especially during a war. Hindi meaning of this word is loot. Next word is cavalry. 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 English meaning of this word is soldier fighting on horseback. Hindi meaning of this word is ghudasawar sena. Next word is garrison town. Garrison. Garrison towns. 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 English meaning of this word is military towns. Hindi meaning of this word is सेना का शहर. Next word is Mamluks. 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 English meaning of this word is slave or son of a slave. Hindi meaning of this word is gulam. Next word is offensive. 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 English meaning of this word is unpleasant or insulting. Hindi meaning of this word is अपमानजनक. Next word is jazia. 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 English meaning of this word is a kind of tax levied on non-Muslims. Hindi meaning of this word is मुसलमानी राज्यकाल में अन्य धर्म वालों पर लगने वाला एक प्रकार का कर. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज onslaught. 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 A violent or strong attack. English meaning of this word is a violent or strong attack. Hindi meaning of this word is hamla. Okay students, I hope you understand the word meaning of this chapter very well. In next video we will discuss the we will discuss the chapter. Thank you for watching. Keep watching.